All right, time for some Thursday birthdays here in the 4 states. We're going to begin in Erie with Eliza Jean, who's celebrating birthday number 2. Happy birthday.
In Sarcoxie, Missouri, Lucas Meyer. Happy birthday number 4 to you.
And we've got Charlotte Grayson celebrating number 6 with love from Daddy, Mama, Lila, and Anna Kay. Happy birthday, Charlotte.
I love the note on this next one. Down in Miami, Oklahoma, Callan Harp is 7 strong. And did you know that Callan loves going to the dentist? Well, you're getting love today from all the family. Happy birthday, Callan.
We've also got Kennedy Oran celebrating birthday number 9 in Girard. A very happy birthday to you, Kennedy.
And Rayleigh Nelson in Parsons. Happy birthday to you. Number 11.
And we've got Olivia Roberts celebrating number 12. Happy birthday, Olivia.
And Kelsey Vins turning 36 years old. Happy birthday to Kelsey in Girard with love from Coy, Crew, and Key.
We've also got Shelly Johnson down in Seneca celebrating number 57. Hope it's a great one, Shelly.
And Debbie Dudley celebrating birthday number 61 in Moran, Kansas.
And then we have this lady. You may recognize her. I've seen her once or twice around here somewhere. Where have I seen you before? Oh, in that chair right over there. You're right there. It's Tanya Bach's birthday. Tanya Bach celebrating 20-something today.
That sounds about right.
She stopped aging at about, what, 22 was it? I was there when you stopped aging.
I was 25.
You were 25 when you
Yes.
stopped aging? Okay,
Yes.
so, all right, I was there when that happened, though. So a very happy birthday going out to everybody's favorite morning anchor, Tanya Bach.
All right. We'll move on, I guess.
Well, I was going to sing, but I don't want to, cause people to change the channel, so I won't sing.
That's okay. You can sing to me later. All right. That sounded weird. Anyway, Michael Jarman in Joplin. Happy birthday to you.
We've also got Dorothy Sulco celebrating number 71. Happy birthday, Dorothy.
Granger Dean Bunce celebrating birthday number 5 in Baxter Springs. Happy birthday wishes coming from Mommy and Nana and Papa Bunce.
And we've got, last but certainly not least, Gene Nelson celebrating a birthday in Columbus. We love celebrating birthdays so much that we've set up a way for you to share them with us. How do they share them with us?
All you have to do is send us an email with your birthday picture and all of the information to birthdays with an S, KOAMnewsnow.com.
And while you're checking out our website, because it's really cool to check out any time of the day, make sure you take time to sign up for the Birthday Club. You get special deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for the Birthday Club today.